any load shedding.
Power Minister A.T. Mondal said the work involving the retrofitting of the Umiam Dam and spillway bridges is likely to be completed by June end. The load restriction till June 30th will be 4 metric tons only, and vehicles up to 12 metric tons only will be allowed to ply after June 30th to ensure the bridge's long-term safety and structural stability.
See, a tentative time we told earlier that it may go till June. So we are expecting to complete by the month of June.
But
if unforeseen some problem comes, then I can say it is too early to say that it will go beyond June. We'll be reviewing it soon also.